Fire danger is extreme right now between our hot temperatures we're seeing. We always deal with dry fuels and invasive species across our desert. The Scottsdale Fire Department is saying that they're out patrolling the community every day.
Yeah, 12 News journalist Jen Wall joins us live this morning. And Jen, you went out with one of the brush trucks and found neighbors working to clear their yards during this fire season.
Yeah, you got it. It's always really encouraging for firefighters to see neighbors doing their part to clear their yards, because it is a really big job, especially when these wildfires start when it's so hot and dry outside. This morning, we're coming to you live from near the 101 and Pima, and as soon as you exit Pima, you can see big blue signs that say fire danger is extreme here in the desert. So yeah, Scottsdale Fire trying to stay on top of it during this very busy fire season. So take a look. This is Rod Register and his property. He has about 2.5 acres of land in North Scottsdale. Rod says he clears his yard every single year, so it's fire-wise and there's enough defensive space for fire crews. One of the biggest issues he faces is chamomile that grows in his yard, and it's a fuel the Scottsdale Fire Department says can go up in flames very quickly, even with one small spark. So Scottsdale Fire says they've already had at least 5 fire starts so far this season, one growing into 3 acres quickly, and crews were able to get a handle on it. They've also been out assisting Cave Creek and in the Tonto National Forest on blazes this season. And firefighters this morning are asking neighbors to keep their yards clear of hazardous vegetation, just like Rod Register does, so that they can put out the blazes as soon as they start.
I don't want a fire on our property. We had one a few years ago up on Hayden Road. It was pretty bad. It really rushed, came through here really quick. So just fire prevention, trying to save our house and not cause anybody else any grief.
Yes, everyone on high alert during this time of year and these high fire danger days, just like we're experiencing right now. So Scottsdale Fire says, if you think you see a fire off in the distance, or even if you may have accidentally started one, call 911, call the fire department right away so they can check it out and use their professional crews and equipment to put out these fires, because one of the problems they're seeing is people are trying to put them out themselves and then they're getting out of control. Coming up live in an hour here, 6:30 a.m., we're going to be live in Scottsdale again, and we're talking about fires that the department says are getting started by construction crews and the steps they're taking to help minimize that. For now, we're live in Scottsdale. Jen Wall, 12 News Today in AC.